There can be many instances where our permanent teeth doesn't come out fully in the mouth and we can have a retained deciduous teeth. So the question is, as we grow into our adult life, because the deciduous teeth or the milk teeth does not have roots that are strong enough, over a period of time they can fall off. But for some reason, if our permanent teeth is stuck inside, what needs to be done? Can we bring the permanent teeth out, or should we extract the permanent teeth, or how do we replace that particular teeth is what we will look into this video with a specific example. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental centers at Chennai, Raja, since year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, Pearls Dentistry. We've come out with a whole bunch of videos this entire year. Now, for this particular patient, we have an instance where our upper canine tooth has got stuck inside. So you can see this canine tooth that is stuck inside. This is the other canine tooth which has come out completely. But here the canine is well placed inside the bone and there is a space that is there. So in this particular instances, the middle tooth was there with the permanent, because the permanent canine was stuck inside, the middle tooth didn't shake and fall and the middle tooth was there. But with years, the middle tooth got decayed and it was to be taken out and the permanent canine is still stuck inside. Now what are the options that are available to replace this teeth? So now let's address this specific question one by one. Now when you look at it, so first we should address whether should we remove the permanent teeth. To answer it simply, I would have a benefit versus risk approach. Definitely it's not a great idea to have an impacted teeth inside your bone. So if it is identified very early in life, it is advisable to either extract the permanent teeth that is stuck inside or by use of braces to bring the permanent teeth outside into the mouth so that it can function normally. So that will be the best choice of treatment. Can we bring the permanent teeth into normal occlusion so that we have our own natural teeth to function normally will be the best choice, because if not, the permanent teeth, because of the eruptive movement that shows inside, can have some harmful effect on the adjacent teeth. So it's always advisable to take the tooth out. So the risks of taking the tooth out is because unless we take a CT scan, we won't know how it is related to the other teeth. Because of that relation to the other teeth, how those other teeth will also behave and get affected because of the surgery is the risk that is associated with the removal of that permanent tooth. Now in this particular case, there is an instance where the patient is very elderly. For many years, the patient had ignored the presence of the teeth inside. So it was a chance finding when he took the X-ray that the tooth has been inside. Now the question is, should the patient be without teeth now? Of course, it's always advisable, as I said, to extract the teeth, but in this instance, implant is out of question. Why implant is out of question? In the place where the implant has to be is where the permanent teeth is there. So when the permanent teeth is there, we won't be able to do implant. However, we will be able to give a resin bonded processes or a provisional processes which is fixed in nature, so that her teeth will get replaced. She will have a tooth there so that when she smiles, it will look like her natural teeth. Because here what we need to understand is the entire canine tooth space is not there. It was only the milk tooth space. So we can cosmetically ensure that she is able to smile well, she is able to function well, so that it looks fine, and over a period of time she can always plan whether to get those permanent teeth extracted or not. I hope you like this video. If there are any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We will be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
லைக் பட்டன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐகான் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரும். Thank you.